Welcome everyone to me opening AliExpress $1.99 plus and minus deal. Now I'm gonna continue to say $1.99 plus and minus. I've seen a lot of deals that are as low as 79 cents to some products that are more highly valued at $100, but you're still getting a deal because regular price they're about 300-400. So still good. But yeah, let's continue with this and see what I got this time. Oh, that was a good screech. Okay. There it is. All right. First up, the biggest bag right here. This one is actually a lunch bag cooler. Great for, here it is, easily open instead of ripping the bag up. There it is, nice lunch bag cooler. It has pockets on top, top storage, see, cooler. It has a storage pouch on top in a top bag, and then storage on the inside. Nice size cooler. I would say it probably holds a 6-pack double up, maybe 12-pack. So I believe this is called a 12-pack cooler or some sort, but yeah, pretty simple. So you have the storage on top here, and then you got your main cooler, and then you got also another storage in the front right here. There it is. So I actually have one of this already. It was a gray one. This one I bought is a black one. So yeah, makes a good lunchbox carry to work or on the go, or to on an outing. Nice small cooler size. I mean, not small, but pretty good size. All right. Now I got this for $6.29 at that time that I purchased this. Only $6.29. There are a lot more at other places. Pretty good quality. Next up, see what, okay, this bag here. This bag right here is, they call it a cord buckle. It's for, what do you call it, the paracords. So if you're going camping and everything, you're doing a little knot or a little tie, a little, you want something to hold your bundles or anything on a rope, or yeah. So basically it's called a cord buckle. I got 10 of these for $1.29. So it's good for my pack when I go camping and stuff. So pretty good. $1.29 for 10 pieces. Paracord buckle. Okay. Next up, just one sticking out here. I believe this is, yes, it is a solar panel. This one is listed at, I believe it was 35 watts solar panel. I'm gonna actually test it out. It has its own USB plug, so directly you put it out solar, and then put a USB cable onto that and hook it up to your mobile phone or any USB device, and then have it charge. Supposedly it says 35 watts. Let's see if we could get a good output out of it. And yeah, if it's even 20 watts, hey, that'll be great. Or even as low as 15 watts. But we'll see. Yeah, let me take it out of the pouch. There it is. 35 watt solar panel, USB connector. This one right here is listed at $4.79 at the time of the purchase. Not too bad. Okay. Next up is right here, it is a portable water jug. It holds 15 liters. So, and it's a collapsible water jug. But let's see the quality of the durability. It's not no thin plastic. I've seen others where it's just flimsy. Now this one, yeah, it looks like it's yeah, you can see it's flat like that, but I think maybe we have to open it to get the air. Actually, that's a good size. It's supposed to hold 15 liters, and it has a spout at the end right here. So that's pretty cool. Yeah, it has a spout. But with this type, you know, too bad they don't have the spout, you know, how it's like this. So I think it's better that way, but this one you're gonna have to hold it. But what I'm planning to do is use this also, you know, for camping or going out and, you know, having a water source. Just put regular tap water and use it to wash your hands and whatnot. But I would not use this as a, you know, for drinking water. But as far as in backup water, wash water, yeah, 15 liters, not too bad. Next up, let's see, another small pouch. This one right here, it's just a tire air cap, you know, for bicycle or even car tires. But it's just a simple cap for them. It's basically aluminum. So this one right here goes for 89 cents. Yes, 89 cents for 4 of these aluminum cap covers. I don't know if it's aluminum. Let me double check on that. Feels pretty heavy for aluminum. Yeah, it's aluminum. All right. Oh yeah, I forgot to mention that this one right here goes for $3.29 for 15-liter water jug, collapsible water jug. Okay, next up. Okay, this one right here is a LED reverse lights. I'm actually gonna use this on my Jeep Gladiator. It's currently, you know, just halogen light bulbs, but this one right here, it's my type is a W16W T15, I believe. So reverse LED lights. I'll try it on. I am gonna expect I don't know what that term is, you know, hyper flash or an error in my system, but it supposedly still do work. It's just, you know, errors. A message is gonna pop on my Gladiator's screen, but it'll be LED, bright white. So I'm gonna utilize it. But yeah, this one right here goes for $3.59. Now I have seen these type on, you know, eBay and stuff, and they're selling them for about $10 plus. But I found the exact same type, exact same ones on AliExpress, $3.59 for a pair. So pretty cool. Let's actually take these out because I'm gonna display it. Showing the box wouldn't be any good. You wouldn't even tell what it is, but right there. Okay, next up is this one right here is listed as a grapple arm or a little claw grapple. It's supposed to be a survival grapple. I'm not sure what this piece is, but it's supposed to be it's supposed to be a 4-piece. It looks like. Honestly, I'm not sure how this works. There's a rubber band here, but it's supposed to be a grappling thing. But all right, guys, I'll figure it out. But this one right here was listed at $2.59. It looks like it's made of solid steel, so you know it's good for camping. You're hooking up something. I don't know. I'll figure out how to use this, but let's see if it's stainless steel. I could feel the magnet, but it's not that what do you call it? Not that strong. I know the bolt is, but yeah, some sort of steel, but magnetism is not that strong except for the bolts. See, I'll figure it out. Yeah, there's a little grappling thing. I don't know, but we'll figure it out. Next up is, oh yeah, these are a pair of reading glasses, and I admit I did get these before. I wasn't able to you know, post it up because it was just small single items, but I saw these again. The one I got before was listed at 3.5 magnification, and I had to be about, I would say, 7 inches away from, you know, what I was trying to read, which is too close, 7-8 inches. I wanted something where it's, you know, say I'm like in my car and I'm looking at, you know, something instrument, or even quickly at my phone and being able to, you know, focus real quick. Well, let's not use the phone thing because here in California, you know, laws and stuff, but something else where I'm good, just I would say 1.5 to 2 feet away. So this one is listed at, I believe, 1.5 magnification, or yeah, focus magnification. But we'll see. Let me see. Oh yeah, perfect. So yeah, I could definitely, oh yeah, it's clear because I'm out of focus. And if you guys have seen my, for example, you know, scratching California lotteries. I mean, I can't even talk. Yeah, I know. ESL is English is my second language. But anyways, yeah, about this distance away, it's a little bit blur. But once I put on these glasses, wow, these are great. They are made of plastic, but it's so clear you could see them. It's almost like looking through regular glass. So pretty cool. They come in 2 pairs for $1.29. Wow, $1.29 for 1.5 or 150 magnification. They call it plus 150. So I may look to get another set. Maybe get it at you know, different types. There's plus 100, plus 150, plus 200, plus 250, and so on, all the way up to, I believe, 350, which is I got before. But yeah, not too bad. $1.29 for 2 pairs of reading glasses, and I believe the frame, yeah, it's flexible frame right here. So pretty cool. I'm actually gonna definitely utilize this for you know, driving, and not to mention also it is the whatever lens or something, it is tinted, so it's supposed to be, you know, anti something. So I mean, it's not pretty much a UV sunglasses, but it's tinted enough where you can, you know, be out in the sun. And yeah, I think it is polarized too, so not too bad. All right, next up is, what is this little small bag here? Get this out of the way. Another LED light set, but this one here is actually reverse LED lights. for my, once again, for my Jeep Gladiator. This one right here is listed as a 7443. You know, the type of light bulb that it replaces is a 7443. This is a T20 7443. And then I'll test it out to see. Hopefully it works on my 2020 Jeep Gladiator halogen reverse lights. So we'll see. But yeah, this one right here goes for $1.99 for a pair. Wow. Because I've seen these, once again, I've seen them on eBay and everything. They sell it for, I've seen them go for over $11 and up. So not too bad. All right, we'll figure it out. And then see if there's any more items. Yes, there is. This one right here is, oh, this one is basically a ratchet strap set, a small mini one. I'm actually gonna utilize this because I've recently had installed a step ladder onto the bed of my truck. Yes, once again, a step ladder onto the bed of my truck. And I needed more basically a ratchet strap to hold it down, you know, once it folds in. They only came with one strap, and yeah, one strap is not enough. So I figure I get more, and this one came in threes. This one right here goes for $3.59 for a 3-pack of these. And you know, I'm just gonna add one more to my strapping of my ladder onto my tailgate bed. So yeah, $3.59 for little mini ratchet straps. So pretty cool. There it is, guys. Hope you can see that. Pretty simple. All right, guys. Thanks for joining me. Till next time. Peace.